Why risk getting caught when you can drive fully protected from speed detection? In this video, I'll walk you through the stealth radar laser defense system we installed on this Lamborghini Revuelto. This Redenzo radar system paired with AL priority laser jammers is seamlessly integrated to detect radar and jam law enforcement laser guns, giving you the ultimate edge against speed detection. Here are a few of the 20-plus laser guns we use during pre-testing to optimize jammer placement. Each gun helps us to ensure the system can defeat both fixed and variable pulse rate laser guns used by law enforcement. We 3D scanned behind the front bumper and both sides of the bumper itself to digitally reference key surfaces for CAD designing the laser jammer housings, radar mount, and GPS antenna mounts, ensuring a precise fit and proper function. The laser jammer housing bases were 3D printed for an exact fit, while the lenses were laser cut, heat formed in a custom mold, then hand sanded and polished for a flawless finish. The front radar antenna mount was CAD designed and 3D printed to precisely fit the vehicle, securing in place using factory bolts. The radar antenna itself fastens directly to the bracket, allowing for easy serviceability while delivering timely and reliable alerts of any radar threats ahead. The dual GPS antennas were mounted behind the front fender on a CAD designed 3D printed bracket. The bracket is secured using double-sided tape and features an access cover for easy serviceability. 3D scans of the rear of the vehicle were used to CAD design custom laser jammer housings and a radar mount. The jammers were installed in the location of the factory reflectors using precision 3D printed mounts, each finished with a lens to replicate the original reflector appearance. The result is a clean, stealth installation, making it hard to believe that there are 4 laser jammers hidden in the rear bumper. The rear radar antenna is mounted behind the bumper using a CAD-designed 3D printed bracket secured to the vehicle with double-sided tape. It delivers real-time alerts for radar threats approaching from behind. The Redenzo display controller was seamlessly integrated into the overhead panel using a CAD-designed 3D printed part that follows the factory lines for a clean OEM appearance. These photos showcase the fabrication process that brought it all together with 0 modifications made to the overhead panel, allowing it to easily be returned to stock. The main components were mounted to a CAD-designed 3D printed bracket located under the dash to factory mounting points. The wires were shortened to length, wrapped in factory matching tape, and labeled for serviceability. The 3D printed speaker mount is comprised of 2 parts. One side attaches directly to the speaker, which then screws into the second part that remains secured under the dash of the vehicle. This design allows for easy removal and reinstallation, making the speaker fully serviceable while keeping it discreet mounted out of sight. The USB update ports were CAD designed, 3D printed, and labeled for easy identification. To update the system, you simply access the ports next to the OBD2 port under the dash. After every install, we thoroughly test the system with law enforcement laser guns to ensure it is working properly. In these clips, you'll see the gun fail to obtain a speed until the jammers turn off. The system lets you select how long the jammers stay active, giving you time to slow down before shutting off. In these clips, we tested with a Dragon Eye laser gun with ECCM on, one of the hardest guns to jam, along with other fixed pulse rate guns. None were able to get a speed reading, proving how effective the system is when properly installed. The Revuelto also received an AutoMods skid plate, precision engineered to protect the front bumper from road hazards. Each model starts with a 3D laser scan of the bumper to capture its exact shape, which we use to CAD design a skid plate that fits perfectly. From there, it's CNC machined and hand taped, so no drilling required. The plate installs with 3M double-sided tape, allowing it to contour to the bumper's complex curves and be removed cleanly with no trace. Every kit includes a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Click the link in the description below to find a kit for your vehicle. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please give us a phone call or send an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.